Good afternoon to everybody. Today we speak about week number 7, partial 4 for 6. Buenas tardes, niños y niñas. Vamos a hablar acerca de la semana número 6, parcial 4 del segundo quimestre. Ya estamos a 4 semanas de acabar el año escolar. Por favor, tiene que enviar las fichas. Caso contrario, usted tendría que hacerlo a mano. Vamos a ingresar. Ingresa. Ya está asignada la ficha para trabajar con ustedes. Aquí tenemos es la ficha número 10. Vamos a dar clic y ingresamos a la ficha. Classboard number 6. Descriptions. Mexican food. Track with the correct image. Vamos a unir con la imagen correcta. It's a delicious breakfast. Fried egg with salad, with salsa. You can accompany this dish with some tortillas. This is here. This is a famous dish. The main ingredients is believed corn with butter, cheese, sour and cream and chili powder. This is here. Yeah? Underline. Read the text and underline all the comparative adjectives. Vamos a leer y vamos aquí a escribir los adjetivos comparativos. Tenemos los siguientes. Fish is a very delicious and nutritious food. Eating fish is also healthy. Tenemos la primera que la escribimos ahí, que es healthy, ¿ya? Healthier than eating red meat. Since it is beneficial for heart, eyes, and brain. Dishes that have fish in them are very popular around the world, but especially in Ecuador. They are present in the gastronomy of the 4 regions of the country. In the Amazon region, for example, people eat a dish called maito. They prepare it with fish from the river, catfish or pintadillo, and wrap in the plant leaves. In the highlands, it's more common. Tenemos otro que es more common to eat trout. Fishing for trout is also a nice activity on the weekend. On the Ecuadorian coast, people eat with a variety of seafood. Thanks to the proximity to the ocean, the fish are fresher. Tenemos fresher and tastier in this region. In the modern times, the different food for different regions are more accessible. Aquí ponemos more accessible y aquí ponemos more possible. Ya, recuerde que estamos viendo los comparativos que aumentamos are y more. Ya, vamos acá. WL, okay? Here. Choose the correct answer. Vamos a escoger la respuesta correcta. My brother takes the bus at 7 a.m. because these classes start earlier than me. Smoking is bad for you. Smokers have probably worse health than the other people. The fruit is healthier than chocolate. I like PE, it's more interesting than math. Aquí vamos a poner los correctos comparativos. The long is longer. The short is shorter. The tall is taller. The interesting is more interesting. Y the terrible is more terrible. ¿Ya? Vamos aquí. Aquí nosotros vamos a observar. Y va a escoger usted cuál es la respuesta correcta. Look at this picture. The elephant is bigger than the monkey. X is no. It is smaller. This is yes. Okay. Ya. The monkey is smaller than the giraffe. No. The elephant is taller than the giraffe. No. The snake is longer than the crocodile. No. The tortoise is longer than crocodile. No. E. Tortoise is smaller than monkey. Yes. Ya, tenemos aquí. The football game. Yesterday, my brothers and I went to see a football game. We watched our two favorite teams, the Eagles and the Hawks. It was the second week of the season, and the day much colder than the week before. We arrived at the stadium at 11:30 p.m., which is a little earlier than usual. We were excited because I loved the house and he loves the Eagles. The seats were good, but I went to something closer to the field. However, we sat and enjoyed the game. Well, we enjoyed it until we started arguing. My brother and I both think our team is better than the other team. He always says to me, the Eagles are faster, stronger, and smarter than the Wolves. I never agree. On this day, he was wrong. The Wolves play a lot better than the Eagles. They look stronger and tougher than the Eagles. They won by 15 points. One thing I didn't like that our food and drinks were much more expensive than the other place, and tastes were possible. It was surprised a hot dog cost $7, which is more expensive than the tree I paid outside the stadium. Also, the dog was smaller than the normal hot dog. So, a little said about meal, but I don't plan to get something tasty after game. Question number 1. Who won the game? Who won the game? The Hawks. How much did it cost? $7. What time did arrive at home? 7 p.m. What's the brother's favorite team? The Eagles. Yeah? This is all, guys. Please presiona terminado y eso es todo, chicos. Muchas gracias. Buenas tardes.